Real down data, everybody know it. I can get a nigga touch with ease and I ain't gotta do it. I think that car spent twice the third time I'm sure. He come straight from across the border, the Mexicans grew up. We don't even speak the same language, but they speak money fluent. He clocked out a job, he walked out and then we had to do it. You in the streets, you better keep your heat. Them niggas just start losing.
Alright, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be getting my window put in my car. Putting this in my car today. I'm taking it into the shop because I don't got time to do it myself. But this is going to be getting put into the car. Better to have a window than not to have a window. So.
Yo, tell the fans what's happening today.
Ain't that our bull? Ain't that our bull? Alright, so today, a PC for this boy right here.
So these are what's new?
Yes, sir.
StockX.
Yo, still got the stock.
The fucking right, they still got the tag on. Can't be rocking StockX shoes without the StockX tag. We're gonna hit up Uniway once he gets back. It's a computer place. I'm gonna go look at some PCs because it's about time I quit playing console. Because I'm a fucking console player.
Bagel.
Real down data, everybody.
Alright y'all, so I found a PC. Right boys, we found a PC.
Yes we did. Yes we did.
Hold on. Within this video, y'all are gonna see me with the PC. Alright y'all, today I got Damien, my barber here. We're buzzing my hair. So we're gonna start off with a 6 guard and we're gonna buzz my hair. This is so fucking scary.
Oh my, holy Jesus.
Yo. Oh my god.
Justin, get in there.
Dude, I'm actually doing this.
Get one, get him.
Oh, the lineup looks tough.
Oh my god, what the fuck are we doing?
What are we doing? Wait, let's make you the avatar cut.
Alright, let's see that shit.
Holy
This
Jesus.
is fucking legendary.
Yo.
I'm gonna get broken up with.
No, you're not.
You will not get broken.
What are they gonna broken
No,
up?
it actually kind of looks tough on you though.
Yeah, it actually looks tough as fuck. Like, yeah.
I can rock that, fine. What the fuck's up with them dogs?
I ain't gonna lie.
Oh
What
my
just happened? What just happened? What just happened? Huh?
Give him line up, you know.
This one?
Just a kid who's bored. Each day I grow some more. I like exploring. I'm Caillou. So many things to do. Each day is something new. I'll share them with you. I'm Caillou. I'm just a kid who's bored. Each day I grow some more. I like exploring. I'm Caillou. Caillou. I'm Caillou.
Sup, fam? Like the new cut?
Magic Genie, give me the biggest weenie.
You got it, fam! Protesto. Dick serious. Trust. What's up? I'm here at Jeslin's house, picking him up because I'm gonna go pick up a computer from Facebook Marketplace because my laptop quit working today. I'll be there in a minute. On the way. Okay, I'm gonna take a shit real quick. And I say here. You're gonna take a trip all the way to the north end.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Did you tell him what you about to do?
I already told them what's happening.
Tight
I
shit.
already told
In chat, we're on the way to pick up his laptop. He about excited as fuck because he can't, you know what I'm saying?
My other one broke.
Yeah, he learned some editing stuff for me, so we'll see y'all there.
So I just picked up this laptop.
Sir.
Check her out.
You know what I'm saying?
Because the last one quit working.
You can edit your own videos now.
Oh yeah, I can run some Ford off this bitch too.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying? We made it back to my house. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, the video is gonna drop today. It's already dropped for the new laptop.
New laptop.
Come on now. Motherfucker probably have his own
Who the
laptop.
fuck is this guy?
Who the fuck is that guy?
Who the fuck is that guy?
Grinded the shit out of the second video.
Dude, for real. But like, we spent hours editing. Probably more than 10 plus hours editing.
There was so much clips.
So many clips.
Yeah.
Like hundreds of clips.
Yeah,
but
some
a lot
clips-
of clips didn't make it.
Yeah, because like it's like cooked. You know what I'm saying?
How do you
When
flip
we get
that,
shape,
son?
I see y'all when we get shit like.
My foot jam.
Stop looking at my toes, you little freak. You're gonna lick him. Oh shit! No. No. I don't want to be clipped.
Bro, this video's getting deleted right away. Alright, y'all.
Pepsi.
Who are we cooking? Who are we cooking with?
Cooking with Jasmine. Cooking with Jimmy. Mouthful of Jasmine.
Guys, are we cooking with the boys?
Cooking with the boys.
Cooking with this bald ass boy. Cooking with the boys. Cooking with the boys.
Okay.
I ain't gonna lie. It's about 1 a.m. right now, and we finna cook little ass pizzas, bro.
It's currently 12:50.
Pepsi. Alright, gang. Hurry up, gang.
Alright. Hey. Perfect.
No, we're not.
I let it.
Wait. What's the preheat? What's the
we need
preheat?
400.
200.
Oh.
These are all French. Fuck.
Right here, twin.
400 Fahrenheit.
Is that 400 Fahrenheit?
And then turn shrimp over after 10 minutes.
Hey. You got the baking sheet?
The bacon sheet?
Yeah,
You don't need a.
no, cause it's
We're
gonna
not cooking a pizzas on
Pizzas are going in
there.
the air fryer.
Cooking the shrimp.
No, still though, you need the baking sheet for that shit.
No, you don't. I do. I cook pizza and I bet without it.
Yeah, you don't need that shit. Wait,
Oh god.
Watch out, twin.
Hold on, twin. Let me get
Damn,
some
twin.
fucking, let me get some fucking shrimpy shrimp.
I got shrimp dick, bro.
Yeah, that's not me gonna cut out. Yes, sir. Even this shit out, bro. Cooking class, bro. Again. Hey, aim the camera at us, bro. Like, put that camera that way.
yeah, chill. I will. Once I get this one going. Pizza!
This is better to cook with oil.
It is, but
Do you want fucking
We're not
oil,
that
bro?
Asian.
I got fucking oil.
it's already.
I got a pan, man.
That's from.
Wait, give me one more. Give me one more. Give me one more.
One more.
One more.
One more the Aki way.
Dog, you good.
Oh, never, ever.
Put the last beat right there. Yeah.
Never, ever. Boy.
Check if it's hot. Go in there, bro. Nah.
Shit cold as hell.
Yeah, let's go. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Cupcake, bro. EDP. Type shit.
EDP.
I'm one of them.
Yeah.
Hold on, bro. What my drink? What my drink?
Yeah,
What the
we're
fuck
gonna
my cup?
we're
What
gonna
the fuck
have to edit
my
so many
fuck my
Pepsis.
drink?
Pepsi's on it. Alright, boys.
Betsy.
Pepsi.
You better fuck Stella. You better fuck Stella.
Pause.
Cooking with the boys. Cooking with the boys. Cooking with the.
Cooking with the boys.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, what am I? Who got my? Oh,
Hey.
Betsy.
Pepsi. Oh, is this the thumbnail?
Betsy.
Betsy.
It's gonna say ready right here.
See, I'm not.
It's
I don't
already-
have a fancy microwave. Oven. Pepsi.
Yo, check if this is hot, bro. Put your hand in there while it's running.
Good challenge, guys. Last one to take their hand out of there while it's on.
Guys, it's a microwave. It won't go with the
Hey, let's
fucking
microwave
door.
pizzas. Hold me. Wait, no. Oh shit, I just can't. Oh.
Did you just say what I think you just said?
Yo, this guy just setting up the camera, bro.
I like how you
Hold me.
Do the leg thing.
Hey, that's good. That's 170, 175.
200.
cooking with Slim Shady?
Cooking with some shady.
Cooking with some J80. Cooking with my baby. To my dick.
Yes, it's not cooked, bro.
Whoa!
How much coke can we do in 3 seconds? We got that.
Hey, baby, stick your fucking hand.
That's two.
Hey, fuck him in his butt.
Y'all want to try some Christmas crack? Okay, this is called. So this is called Christmas crack.
Hold on. Alright, what are we trying?
Christmas crack. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Sure.
Oh shit.
Hold on.
Yo, Slim Shady. No, they're so good.
Yo, we should make Squid Game cookies.
Fuck no.
What's your dick in there?
Wait, hold on. Grab your hand, bro. Be like Bella.
Fuck that.
I got a knife.
The pizza is supposed to be brown.
Hey, black pizza.
I stand for black pizza.
Get low to the flow.
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Get low to the flow. Get low. Get low.
Oh yeah.
Dick cheese rider.
Shut the fuck up.
Come on, keep going.
Patty cake, take man.
Say it, let me get it again. I gave him my shit.
No, your shit about black as hell, twin.
Alright, give me a plate, twin.
Hey, Damien's turn. Yo, what the fuck, twin? Oh, and the pizza goes.
Hey, cooking with our boys. Hey, cooking with our boys.
Got a lot of this guy.
This is the shrimp gang.
Shrimp stick like Gavin.
Give me my money.
Just give me my money.
Yeah. Just give me my money. Yeah.
Yo, putting his phone in the oven.
Yeah. Oh shit! Oh! Shrimp dick. Cheers.
Yo, follow his ass.
Bus cut! I'm a survivor.
That you gotta stand a little bit more closer to the oven when you do that.
Oh yeah, that got you perfect, bro. Yo, you're fucking brain dead. Turn around and show the camera what you doing, son. No, it's
I'm gonna put y'all on the method, yo. You put a shrimp right there. You put a shrimp over here, and then you put a shrimp right there.
Nah, I didn't eat this. Oh.
Full of like a taco.
Oh.
We're munching.
You have any sauce?
I got
What? This is German. It's Worcestershire.
Guy, quit breaking shit.
I'm gonna show you the. Oh, it's the good brand, bro. Look at that shit. Every Asian
Yes,
household. Worcestershire. 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 Cheese sauce.
My boy right here is munching.
Come on, Pepsi. What the fuck? Yo. I got you.
That's on wheels, gang.
Alright, guys. See? Shrimp. Chili Japanese Chinese sauce. Tommy man.
You make coffee.
Dude, what the fuck?
Coffee.
Tomorrow morning.
Put the camera down and eat.
Okay. Not again.
Holy.
No.
Hold on.
My name is Baymax. I'm here to help you.
Karma, bitch.
Screamed. Okay, so don't put that in video next.
Make sure that goes in there.
That's me. Come on now. Nasser's gonna be watching.
Oh, shit.
I'm hitting.
Eat, bro.
Eat!
I'm good, bro.
I don't want paw.
A few moments later.
Paw. Paw.
The cheese touch.
Dick touch.
Open up.
No, I'm good. No, I'm good, bro. I'm good.
Bro, you don't want food, Gavin?
No, I'm chill.
This is Jessam's hometown. Right? That's where shrimp originated?
What? I'm not fully Asian, bitch. 70.
Which is a half circle. to be exact.
I'm trying to eat and put the camera down.
She's filming.
Stop recording me!
I got nut all over me. Dog nutted on me. Yo, dog nutted all over me, gang. I'm about to choke on dick.
Sure. Say it again.
Demon's better choke on dick.
He said he's about to choke on dick. Okay. So, basically, see my concoction? Pizza.
Chili, strip tail.
Chili and shrimp.
Even the skin.
Yeah. The skin. What skin, bro? The shrimp tail?
Look, yeah. Alright, aim the camera at him, bro. He's eating.
Put one of those in my mouth.
Holy Jesus.
Your parents are very Asian to be white, though.
What?
Damn, I sucked the whole shit out of that, twin. Oh, shit, my ball, my fault. Okay, guys, I cannot lie.
I think just you gay.
I want to kiss.
Wow, well, this guy looked like he just ate someone out on their period.
Fancy cart. Remember when we hit that pre-workout?
Pre-workout. Like,
Hard rider.
Fufu. African delicacy. Oh shit, delicacy. Fuck it.
bro, zoning out into some serious shit.
Methamphetamines.
What?
Wait, what's your drink? What's her drink? What's her drink?
Sarcan.
Oh, not again. No, not on me.
Oh, bombokla!
No, it's a bone right there. Wait, that's hard. He's on his knees. Hold on, stay in that position.
Rose got not all over it.
Show that.
Oh! Who the fuck?
I think you got a little excited.
Just bite your
Keep the food in the kitchen.
I'm in the.
Who the fuck is that guy?
Fuck off!
Hey, you want a bone? Oh, what the fuck? Look. You got nutted on. You like that shit, huh?
You
You like small things in your mouth? That's
like-
not funny.
Don't you like small things in your mouth?
Finish the sentence. What?
No! Fuck off!
Finish the sentence. What?
Stop going with your 6 Gavin, huh, you dick, little boy?
That's a good.
Huh?
Lacing my jello, all I see is